Hi everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to make a button using in Tailwind CSS. Let's see. Just I am using button element type button, and here is giving class name like BG color and text color BG color class BG hyphen, and put the color name like a blue, and text hyphen color. Okay, I am selecting white now, and text size 2XL. okay, and now py means top and bottom padding, px means left and right padding. Okay, can you see images button is ready. Now I need to round it, so here I am adding just round, so only small pixel is round. Can you see here? Okay, now do one thing, let's take another one. Let's how to over effect. Simply type the over and semicolon. So I am giving scale. Just I want to say कि on mouse over is something small is scale. Okay. So now transition, duration, how many times duration, and what is the effect, easy in. Okay, let's check. Can you see here is showing, right? Now let's see the another types of button, like a button. And here is class BG gray, and text hyphen gray 600. Now rounded. Now px 6 and py, and here is over effect BG gray. Okay, it is a second example, like a types of the button, right? Now I'm changing here is text also color change on over, because color is not showing, right? So that the thing. Now list another types of the button outline button. Okay, though here is a simply 2-3 property we need, like first is border and border color. So here is I am adding border hyphen 2 and border hyphen blue, right, 700. Now then px and py, we should be add px and py, top bottom padding and left right padding. Now we need to text color change. Okay, now you can see outline button. Now we need to hover effect, hover effect and border blue. Here is a dark color. Okay, but it's not showing. I need to small light, so it will be reflected. So then I have changed on the shadow. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Now let's see the another types of the button, like disable button. Simply type here the disable and add here is the class class, like I am adding here is a cursor not allowed. First point is cursor is not allowed. I'm adding some gray color and text also I am adding shade of that gray, and I am adding left and right padding. Now we should be round. Okay, here is added here round. Can you see here is a not allowed? Now let's move to another button size. Button size, we should add here is two types of the button, like a small button and large button. Just I want to show here is example. So I am adding here a BG color is same, and here is a classes BF, PX and PY. Now we should add here text hyphen small, and border also here is a border rounded SM, and text hyphen small. Okay, SM is small. Now let's move another types of the button, large button. So I'm just adding here a large button. Large button, we should add here is text and a class, because here is already given text hyphen XL. Okay, XL is a large desktop. Now BG color and PX left and right, top and bottom, and rounded XL. Okay, small. Now we should make another one is down, class BG color, and actually here this button we should example like with icon. So how? So just I'm adding here is BG color, PX and PY, and text is light, it will showing. After that I am adding here some SVG icon and showing some color, like I need to here is a down wall icon. Now I am adding here to text field color and display flags. Okay, can you see here is showing. Now thank you watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe.